I have a GE Monogram refrigerator and the lights in the refrigerator do not work, however they work in the freezer section. I have replaced the motherboard and the door switch but they still do not work. Help. Mark.
Hello, I'm Larry and I will use all my training and knowledge of 40 years to help you with your problem today. Thanks. May I have the model number of the fridge, please?
GE Monogram refrigerator models is 420N.
Remove the bulb and put a little Vaseline on the threads and screw it back in, and when it feels tight try to twist a little more. The sockets is tight before the bulbs are all the way in, and if this does not help then replace the socket assembly, part number WR02 by 1156, which cost about $113, and you can get it at a local appliance parts dealer near you.
This model has 7 bulbs and none of them screw in. They have push-in pins and are halogen bulbs.
This does not show in my diagram, so I will opt out, so maybe some of the others may have more sources. Thanks. Hello, thank you for using this service. I will be helping you with your problem today. Is this the board you replaced?
Relist, inaccurate answer.
Larry has opted out and I need to know a few things to help you. First, I gather you replaced the control board I showed you above, is that correct? Also, there are 2 light switches. Did you replace both of them?
Yes, that is the board I replaced.
Okay, now there are 2 light switches in this #XXXXX and 546 on this diagram. Which did you replace?
I replaced 546 as it is the one that controls the refrigerator. The lights in the freezer work fine. Additionally, I didn't think it was the switch because the temperature indicator that comes on when the door is open still works. I just replaced the switch just to confirm my thoughts.
Okay, there are several things. First, there is a fuse in this. The diagram says it's part #XXXXX, but on this one I can't find it on the diagrams. Have you seen that? Look in the top where the compressor is.
I cannot find the fuse anywhere.
Yeah, unfortunately the diagrams don't show where it is. I'll opt out, maybe someone else can help. Sorry. Thanks, Brian. The fuse is number 543 in the picture, mounted on the bottom under the cabinet, behind the kick plate. Don't know how I didn't see that. Thanks, Kelly. Try checking the fuse at the bottom of the cabinet like Kelly said, see if one is blown. Let me know. Thanks, Brian. Did you get my last reply?
Sorry I was gone. We'll check now. I believe I found the fuse, but I have no way of knowing if it is blown. Now what?
Okay, you don't have a voltmeter to check it with.
It's a miracle. There are 2 fuses, one was covered by tape. When I uncovered it, I could see that it had been tripped. I reset it and the lights are working. So I purchased a new motherboard, a door switch, and it was a tripped fuse. Now I will have to see what made it trip, but for now all is good. Hopefully the replacement of the motherboard fixed whatever was ailing it. Thank you.
That's great. Fantastic. Sorry you spent money on the board and switch. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done, rather than rating me with a 1 or 2 smiley faces, please use the continue conversation link and tell me what else I can do or what else you would like to know so that I can get you that information so I can improve my customer satisfaction rating. You may receive an email with my answer. If so, please sign back in except on the site itself. It's the only way I get paid for helping you. Thank you and best wishes, Brian. I hope you received my last post. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done, rather than rating me with a 1 or 2 smiley faces, please use the Continue Conversation link and tell me what else I can do or what else you would like to know so that I can get you that information so I can improve my customer satisfaction rating. You may receive an email with my answer. If so, please sign back in except on the site itself. It's the only way I get paid for helping you. Thank you and best wishes, Brian.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.